Let's take a look at some algebraic fractions. We'll start with some multiplication. And multiplication is really fun because it just simply goes straight across. I'm going to use separate sheets for writing the answer, but here we go. So let's just clear the decks for action here a bit. All right, so we've got, start off with this first one here, which nice and straightforward. So we've got a 2x on a y times 3x on a y. Well, nice and simple, straight across. 2 times 3, multiply the coefficients first. 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x squared. Over y times y is y squared. Now, I look at the answer I've got, and can I simplify this? Well, there are no coefficients to divide with similar factors, and we don't have a common root. We don't have a common base to our algebraic expression. In other words, they're not both x's, yeah? Okay, so that's not going to work. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so the next one is I've got 2x on 3 times 4x on 5. All right, well, 2 times 4 is 8, multiplying the coefficients first. X times x is x squared. 3 times 5 is 15. And again, there's nothing common which we can simplify with. Let's work our way down a little bit now. Okay, I'm looking at some of these lower ones now. Let's do ones where we've got more than just an x. So here we've got a p and a q and an r and things. So I've got 2p times 6p times, with a q and an r at the bottom. So let's do that one. So we've got a 2p over q times we've got a 6p over an r. Well, 2 times 6 is 12. P times p is p squared. Oops, can't see that. Over q and an r. Well, we're going to do it alphabetically, so it's going to be rq. Nothing I can cancel, nothing common, so I have to move on. All right, well, I'm looking at the next one, and this is going to change now. So I've got a 4x on y times 2y on 3x. Well, coefficients, 4 times 2 is 8. X times y is xy. Oh, sorry, you can't see that. So 2 times 4 is 8. X times y is xy. Now, this is really a 1y, so 1 times 3 is 3, and a y times an x is an xy. Now, although we can't cancel the coefficients, an x divided by an x is 1, and a y divided by a y is 1, leaving me with 8 on 3. It's an improper, and I would leave it that way. I wouldn't try and turn it into a mixed fraction or mixed number. Okay, moving straight on. Let's see what else we've got. So that's that page. Okay, well, let's do multiplication on that page, and I'll do the next one with division.